Hey everyone, I have a Puig high-tech parts box with me right now, and this contains a windscreen for Ducati Streetfighter V2. So let's open the box and see the contents inside, and also I will install this on my motorcycle as well and show you how it looks like. Well, this says the warranty seal. It would be pretty crazy if the warranty is void just, right after you open the box. But let's see what it has. Okay, so there's an attention sticker which says make sure to check all the box through before disposing it off. There could be components of reduced dimensions. Okay, that's a good call out. And we do have a lot of packaging. With that, we have a card which just says designed carefully in Barcelona. Some hardware to mount the windscreen. Let me keep this aside. And I guess this would be the mounting instructions manual. Yes. It says this is a one person 15-minute job and it is easy to do. The components that this box should have is a sport screen, left support, right support, and some hardware as we have in the packet. Some documentation and a lot of cushion. Okay, this is supposed to be the dark smoke windscreen. Even though this looks like plastic, this is not plastic. This is all a single piece with some coating over here. I don't know if it's glass or I think this would be acrylic glass maybe. Looks like of, a really good quality. I did not expect it to be that good, but if you're paying around $200 or maybe $180 for it, it better be good. Okay, let's mount it on the motorcycle.